牙具回来，谢谢。
Hello and welcome. Glad to be at your service. Let's go to make a delivery. Hi. Excuse me, please. Hi, my name is Amal. My aim is to make service easier. It's been a real pleasure to share the ride with you. Excuse me, here I am. Goodbye. Please call me if you need any service. Your items have been delivered out of the door by Amal. Please pick them up as soon as possible. Thank you. Thank you for waiting. Please take your items. Please tap close button. Thank you. Here we are. Have a good day. Bye. I'm looking for a charging pile. Please make room in front of the charging pile. Thank you.